everyone. No, it is not deja vu. I have the same clothes on, same hair, same everything, same day. I did a live thrift haul video earlier, and now I just decided to record a friend mail unboxing. Now, before I get into the friend mail unboxing, I just wanted to reiterate to everyone that after March 31st, I will no longer have a P.O. box for friend mail. I just wanted to let everyone know that. And I wanted to say to everyone who has ever sent me friend mail, thank you so very much from the bottom of my heart. I couldn't never tell you what it means to me that people take time and money and, to send me things. And I will cherish them always. However, the prices of the P.O. box have really gone up dramatically, and it is just not feasible for me to continue to pay for a P.O. box. So, with that being said, I will open these wonderful packages from my friends, and I will say thank you so much for thinking of me, and I really, really do appreciate it. And guys, really, I don't need a thing. All I need from you is your friendship and for you to continue to watch my videos. That's all I need. That's all. So, without further ado, let me clean my glasses because there's a spot right in the center and it's driving me a little bonkers. Oh, that's better. So, I did receive a card from my friend Joan, who lives in New Jersey. So, I will open this first. Friends are the whipped cream in the Irish coffee of life. No, wait, they're the whiskey. Yep, they're most definitely the whiskey. Happy St. Patrick's Day, my friend. Have a great St. Patrick's Day, your viewer, Joan. Joan, thank you so very much. This card was awesome, and it will get put with all of my other cards that everyone sends me. Thank you so, so much for thinking of me. That is awesome. That's cute. Okay, I now have something from Marcella Zengoda. So I did cut open the bag, and she included a note. Hello, Dee. I really enjoy your show, so I thought I would send you this UV LED tea light to display your uranium cups and dishes, etc. Oh, awesome! If you would like to check my stuff out too, I'm the Purple Peacock 73 on eBay, Facebook, and Rumble. I've never heard of Rumble. Wow. Keep up the great work. Perhaps someday I will have internet speed that will win an item. God bless, Marcella Zengoda. Oh, Marcella, you are a sweetheart. A sweetheart. And I will definitely check out your eBay. And I'm very interested in this Rumble. Like I said, I have never heard of that. Oh my gosh, this is awesome. Let me just cut into the tape here so I can undo it. Girl after my own heart. Toilet paper tubes. They come in handy for a lot of things, guys. Oh my God, this is so cool. It is. It is a purple one. Yay! Thank you. I love it. Marcella, thank you, girl. That is awesome. Yay! I have to save this so I can look up your eBay and stuff. All right. Next, I got something from my girl and your girl, Angela Marksberry. Y'all know Angela. She works her butt off making the calendars for the live sales every month. Well, not every month, every week. Pardon me. So 4 times a month. She is working her butt off to make the calendars for all of the live sales. So, Angela, thank you so much for all you do. You are awesome. Awesome sauce. Oh, dear. I just sounded like Judge Judy. She's the boss, applesauce. Says, thank you, Dee. Thought this cute tile would look great with your collection in your backdrop. Much love, Angela. And her channel is called Deer, D-E-E-R, Angela's Vintage. So, let's see. Angela, you're so sweet. Thank you so much. She told me in a live sale chat the other day that she sent me something. I was like, no way. How sweet. All right, let's see. Let's see what we got here. It is a trivet. Oh my gosh. Hang on, guys. Let's see if I could slide it on out. There we go. Oh my gosh. Look how cute this is, you guys. Oh, look at this, you guys. Oh my goodness. Is that not adorable? Love is the little things we do for each other. Yes, it is. Yes, it absolutely is. We have the best community ever in YouTube. I'm telling you. This is awesome. I'm going to put this. You know what? I'm trying to figure, I could put it here. I'm going to have to switch a couple things around, but this is definitely going on my wall of trivets. Angela, you are awesome, and thank you so very much for thinking of me. This was very, very sweet, and I love it. Thank you so much. Oh, my goodness. I am spoiled. All right. This last box is from my friend Glenda Torres. So I cut into it. Sometimes she sends me things for me, and sometimes she sends me things that if I want to resell them. But right off the top, I see this amazing book, which I'm going to keep this for a future grandchild. Corduroy the Bear. Remember this book, guys? This is amazing. I am going to keep this to read. Oh my gosh. And it's in fabulous condition. I remember this book. This one is from Viking Press. This is from it was first published in 1968. I don't know when this one was published. But it doesn't really matter. So, I will be keeping this. Yes, indeed. Okay. So, we have a lot of items in this box. Let me pull everything out. And then, when I unwrap, I can put all of the paper back in here and reuse this paper. Oh, look at this. What is this in the bottom of the box? A family Christmas. Reader's Digest. Oh my gosh, this is all kinds of stories. Give a Christmas stocking at Christmas time, and here's the thing of it. It doesn't matter if it has a hole or not. Put a poinsettia in it. In it, or a nut if that doesn't fit. But you absolutely have to put a present inside of it. Look at this. Oh my gosh, this is so cool. Let me see this. Hold on. We're Skipper D, who is my turtle, and Weenie, who is my dog. Nanny, my mostly companion, and me, and the blazing Yuletide log. Look at that. This is so cute. I'm going to put this out at Christmas time on display. I love that. Of course, I got to read through it first. But, all right. So let me see what else we have here. Oh, look at this cup. Nestle's. Made in Japan, colonial cupboard. Look at this cup. Isn't that awesome? That is a very cool cup. Made in Japan, colonial cupboard. There's the sticker. The Nestle Company. That is a cool cup right there. I like that. Hot chocolate cup. Oh, there's a pair. There's a pair. Awesome. We got a set. We got a set. Those are awesome. My stomach is just a growling. I haven't eaten a thing yet today, and it's almost 12 o'clock. Oh, nope, here. Wow. I think it's a set of 4. Yes, indeed. I believe so, because there's another one right here. Yep, it's a set of 4. These are awesome, Glenda. Thank you. Those are really, really nice. Those are great. Awesome. Oh, wait a minute. Here's another one. Okay, so it's a set of 5. Because this last item is not a cup. All right, so there we go. We have a set of 5. And then the last item is oh my goodness. Would you look at this pepper mill? Oh my gosh. This will go up on my shelf someplace. This is amazing. Who makes this? What does that say? Enstein? Something Steen. Ramenstein? I don't know. I didn't bring my magnifying glass over. This is awesome. Oh my gosh. Glenda, thank you so very much. These are awesome gifts, and I really, really do appreciate it. I'm going to be putting some Easter stuff on my shelves. So this will go up after I take the Easter stuff down. So this is just awesome. Thank you so much. Oh my gosh, you guys are awesome. Thank you, you guys, for sending me these wonderful gifts. I love everybody's gifts. I so appreciate you all. And, you know, I really, there's nothing more I can say. So, I will catch you guys in my next video. Thank you.